Hi everyone, welcome to TYG Trading. For this episode, I will talk about CFD Broker again. I bring up this topic since many ask me about how the forex market, in particular CFD, works. I actually don't want to talk about this topic anymore since many assume CFD is a scam. Many say brokers will be our counterpart trade. We win from broker losses, or our losses will be broker profit. Are those true? It is true in the past. Most brokers in the past work in this way, especially those that were not properly regulated. At this moment, we have to investigate the broker ourselves to find how they operate. By the way, I'm not endorsed by any broker to talk about them. I know how brokers are operated from my past experiences working at a broker, and also my consistency to update information about brokers nowadays. I share this information without intention, just for education purpose. It will be long talk, but let me start to explain CFD broker structure. Before I continue, I want to thank to my hardware supplier who has helped me to adjust my studio so I can create a better quality content in terms of audio. Making content is a hobby, hopefully can be something positive for me and others. I will try to simplify the diagram of market structure so everyone who is lucky enough can understand it easily. The CFD market structure, in short, consists of traders, brokers, and liquidity provider, or in short, LP. Trader is us. No need to explain this part. The participant who comes to make profit. Next is broker. Question is, what is broker? In short, broker is a mediator. Since we talk about CFD broker, the broker will be the mediator for us to enter the CFD market. That's all. Broker will access market on behalf of us. Since the CFD market is very complex, broker will help us to administer every transaction. We don't talk about the market first, only focus on what the broker does when we open and close our positions. It is between broker and trader under normal or proper operation. When we open a position, broker will immediately issue a contract number. We can assume it is our ticket number in MT5 or MT4 or in any platform we are using trade. As a contract, when it opens, it has to be closed later. They will hold our balance based on margin requirements, then process our order to the market. Next, they do nothing. Until later, we want to close the contract, they will send out our order again to the market. After the contract has ended, the broker will make a settlement in our accounts. Where there is profit, they will put them in. Otherwise, they will deduct our balance, and then finally, they will release the fund that hold early on. So, in short, when we look at the broker side, when a trader opens a position, the flow is trader requests to open a position to a broker. Broker will create a contract number to continue the transaction. Broker will hold our balance based on margin requirement. Next, broker will send an order to liquidity provider. When broker receives the order status from the liquidity provider, broker will send the report back to the trader. These are the list of things broker do when we request a position to them. When we close a position, broker will send again the order to liquidity provider. After receiving the status from liquidity provider, broker will release our margin requirement. Next, broker will settle our profit and loss based on the transaction. And finally, broker will send the report back to the trader. While we open a position, the brokerage system will automatically monitor the floating loss against our mining balance. If the balance is still enough, they will just do nothing. Only when the floating loss reaches the minimum balance requirements, they will close our position automatically, or we know it as a stop out. So, these are the list of things they will do next. How do they get the profit from? It has been explained by many only by spread and or commission. The broker don't really care if we win or lose. Every time we open a position, they will immediately having profit. When it done by spread, meaning the price have been marked up. Just to illustrate, let's say we buy euro for 1.5 US dollar. The actual price is $1.4. So it means every transaction the broker earns $0.1 by increasing the price to sell to us. When we sell euro for $1.5, the actual price will be $1.6. That means the broker earns $0.1. So, broker lowering the price to us. The other scenario for broker to earn profit is by asking for a commission. You may see in our accounts, there is a type of trading account that require commission for every transactions. That means the broker will deduct our balance for every transaction he made. Simple, right? This is how normal broker will operate. It is actually another source of income for broker. It is swap fee. Swap fee is similar to interest for lending money with a broker. Since CFD need leverage, that means we are lending money with the broker. Some broker forfeit the need for a swap fee, but most of them activate swap fee as the default. There are two types of brokers, dealing desk and non-dealing desk. What I have been explained until now is the SOP for a non-dealing desk broker, or short NDD, or popularly called as STP, or straight-through processing. Most regulated broker will operate as an STP1. There are many unregulated brokers. Since they have no regulator, we don't know surely how they manage our transaction. They can tampering our transactions to make them as a dealing desk broker. They can class our orders with others' client or become the counterpart of our positions. Our profit will be their losses and vice versa. Why is this happening? Simple. CFD is a fast money making business. They have not enough capital to run a proper brokerage system. It is a shortcut. Without regulators, they are able to play with price to make sure the client will lose as for the company's profit. Let's ignore the unregulated broker. It will be an endless talk. Let's now talking only about regulated brokers only. Alright, in the next episode, I will talk about what is market maker, how they make money by providing service in the CFD market. This will also explain if CFD is really a zero-sum game or not. Before we dive deeper into those questions, I will explain how broker will process our order to the market. What actually happens with our orders? Where do our profit or loss come in or to? Are they coming from other traders or brokers? Definitely they are not. Let's continue next time. See you again. TYG out. If you enjoy my contents, feel free to subscribe and a like will be very much appreciated as well. You may also leave questions in the comment section. I will try my best to answer honestly.